build out day 10, or what's supposed to be day 10. I came to check on my insulation. Looks like it's doing all right. The spray adhesive held up pretty well, except maybe it'll need a little fix there. And it's supposed to, I was going to do some side paneling today, but this weekend it's going to be super hot, like 110 degrees in Seattle. So there's gonna be no side paneling for me today. It's 2021. Is this how you wear the mask? It's so hot today. So I turned my mask into a visor. You like my new fashion statement? Anyway, I'm in Seattle and people are freaking out because it's supposed to be 110 degrees this weekend. And I'm gonna count this as a building day, even though I'm not gonna do any building today. But I ordered like 20 things off of the internet for my van life. And I'm going to go open some packages and do some organizing and see what I have. In my next video, I am going to tell you about some things to do in hot weather if you're living in your mobile vehicle. This is my pile of packages from the internet, and I'm going to open these up and see what I have and do some organizing. It's going to be like Christmas all over again. Woohoo! This is my Bluetti portable power station. This is my portable bathtub, or shower tub, or laundry tub. This is my cooler, and that will be part of my kitchen. This back here is my laundry room. This is a clothesline, another clothesline. This is my dryer, and this is my washer. Some utilities, an immersion heater. You put this in your bucket and heat your water, a plug, and some battery powered LED lights. And this is my bathroom. I have my shower, a collapsible 5-gallon bucket, and the shower head. One end goes in the bucket and sucks up the water, and the other end you shower with. And it fits in this little case, or this little bag. It's so handy. And this is my toilet, composting bags, and a urine diverter. And I guess this is pads for the bottom so that it soaks up any liquid that might get into the toilet accidentally. And this is the toilet. Comes in a little bag, and it unfolds really easily. This goes on top. Well, your bag goes in first, and then it's a stool and toilet. You've got to make sure that you put that part in first. Well, it comes goes in the bag. So if you're not using it and you're just driving around and going to the restroom in public toilets and you don't want this toilet stool up in your van, it will go away. And this is my kitchen. Right here, this is beeswax wraps. So instead of using aluminum foil to wrap your food in, you have these beeswax wraps instead, and this is a produce bag. And a lot of van life people say they love having a bag like this for their produce. And these are magnetic spice jars, and you can twist it and sprinkle out your spices. And it's really handy. And this is collapsible containers. I feel like I could use one of these as a cup and some of them as bowls if I don't want to store food in them. And this is going to be my sink. It's also collapsible with a drain in the bottom. And this is some colanders and dish racks. And I got a worm bin because I had a bright idea about composting, but we'll see how that works. My mom gave me a bag to put things in. And this is my portable bathtub and my power station and my heater. It's for pets and a chicken coop, but I found that pet products are also handy for van life. Yeah, that's it. All that stuff that I just pulled out fits in this little tiny area. This is my kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room, and my utilities, and this is my power station, and this is my cooler refrigerator. It's pretty amazing that all the rooms in your house, do you really need all of that stuff? My laundry room, my kitchen, and my bathroom fits in this box. I'm gonna be a van lifer. Hello everyone, Allison here, and this is my van called Wonderland. If you're a millennial and beyond looking to become a roam owner, maybe retire early and see the wonderlands of the wild, then this is the place for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and save this video to all of your van life and roam life playlists. For more information in less time, adjust your playback settings to watch these videos on 1.5 speed. If you'd like to follow my adventure, or you need a consultant to help you get from a house that doesn't move into a home that does, then visit my website at www.allisonwonderland.info. See you in Wonderland!